CB16A package demo video. First, open the main control box. The next demonstration is the knob sensor demonstration of temperature and humidity sensors. Nixie tube displays the value change detected. Infrared sensor demonstration. Demonstration of ultrasonic sensors. Touch sensor demonstration. Demonstration of ultrasonic sensors. Touch sensor demonstration. Button sensor demonstration. Demonstration of dot matrix screen and light sensing sensor. Hall sensor demonstration. App programming demonstration. Click on Bluetooth connection in the upper right corner. Select the corresponding device connection. Click on the offline button in the upper right corner. Can upload offline programs. After the offline program transfer is completed, the main control can then run programming offline. CB16A main control sensor set practical application demonstration. CB16A package demo video.